விளையும் பயிர் முளையிலே தெரியும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இன்னும் கேஜி லெவல் கூட தாண்டாத இந்த குழந்தைகள் விவாதிக்க போகும் தலைப்பு என்ன தெரியுமா? வாழ்வில் உயர தேவை சாதனையா இல்லை சம்பாத்தியமா? ஏங்க, சாதனை இருந்தா சம்பாத்தியம் தானாவே வரும். ஆனா சம்பாதிப்பது மட்டுமே சாதனை ஆகுமா? சரி, இந்த கேஜி சிறார்கள் தரப்போகும் தீர்ப்பு தான் என்ன? வாங்க கேட்டு ரசிக்கலாம்.
The art of the debate is something that has been practiced among people for centuries. A very pleasant evening to everyone. To start this debate orderly, first topic should be announced. Do you know what the debate topic is all about? Yes, it's about achievement or learning. One side we have our friends who are ready to speak something in favor of achievement. On the other side, our friends are ready to defend them by saying that learning is everything. A dream becomes the goal when action is taken towards its achievement. And at the same time, when you don't have money, money becomes the overriding obsession of your life. To lead a happy life, which is more important, achievement or learning? Let me hear from our friends which one is important. In favor of achievement, here are our friends Rian Leo, Ishana, and Ashna. To defend them by saying that learning is everything, here are our friends Sasvika, Rowan, and Hamish. First, let me call Sasvika to share her views on learning. Every day is a bank account and sense of currency. No one is rich, no one is poor. We have got 24 hours each. A good evening to everyone. My lord, yes, when I heard that topic, I was shocked. Because Sanet Wakame, Sambatim Dane. And for example, we can say Dr. Abdul Kalam. He was born in a poor family, and for his educational expenses, he earned money by doing some petty jobs. Only with that money, he uplifted his life, and today, he is the world's most admired missile man. Yes, money is not an addiction in the heart of achievement. On the other hand, he is addicted to prove himself as an achiever. You are absolutely right, sir. The purpose of an achievement is also an addiction. Sir, yes, in every nook and corner, you are hearing the name Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Do you know why? Because he is one of the richest men in the world. That's what I said. Only money shed light on snake to this world. Kasedan kaduvada and the kaduvurkum idu theriyumada. Kasedan kaduvada and the kaduvurkum idu theriyumada. Sir, yes, you just list the achievement of we will see. Do you think that he lived a luxurious life with achievement? Definitely not. Achievement did not help him in any ways. He died as a poor man without money. Yes, money is an important tool for modern life. You can use money wisely को पैसे पे तो मांगती है, एक बात तो मुझे बतला दे तो शर्म से क्यों नहीं देती है? Your Honor. Yes. Why do you waste your life just for money? If you make an achievement, the money wanted will be in your pocket automatically. It's not money that fulfill our needs and necessities of our future. You're absolutely right. Your Honor. Yes. ஆகாசு நேட்டவனை கொய்தெடுக்காமலோ அதுவும் சரியானല്ലോ. Your Honor. Yes. We must have 3 years like a chairman. We have those 3 years. We can really achieve greater heights. What do you mean by 3 years? Sincerity, seriousness, and smart work. We are really focusing on these 3 qualities. We will really become successful. When we achieve great things, money is not a matter. Men and women recognize this as a great achievement, isn't it? Yes, Your Honor, you are right. That is great man called Steve Jobs. He proved the world that one can achieve many things without having money. Everyone has a place in the history, but to make the world read about you, it's in our hands. I didn't say this. One of our friends who is sitting at the opposite team quoted. Yes, he quoted about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ is the role model and the example for someone who achieved without having money. I would like to wind up by saying achievements tell us things support one individual than money. Thank you. No one will be able to give such awareness. Let's see what opposite tries to convey. Robin, please come on the stage. Your Honor. Yes. What did you have for breakfast? Idli with sambar. What a rapid friends I had achievement with sambar. How it is possible to achievement? Your Honor. Yes. Basically, it is body that is what would have eat well and to be not achievement. Can give this achievement test to next generation. Yes, you are correct. Sir, yes, you see, if someone makes an achievement that also gives gold as an award or reward. Oh, I too didn't think of this. You're right. Your Honor. Yes, just note this point. Okay. If someone who has made an achievement and tells the doctor of an hospital that he has made an achievement, therefore the doctor has to give free treatment when the doctor. No, never. See, there are so many matters. Because I'm car. Sir. Yes. If you don't have money, you only go to a dead body. Oh my God. Cheppandi. Sir. Yes. And you remember asked how much he has got as dowry or how much they have given for him. Nobody asked how much he has succeeded. Yes, that is respect only for money, not for achievement. Kulitile, tanile, kokumile, meenumile, petile, panamile, petapile, sondamile. Your Honor. Yes. What time you said that's all. Thank you. I think Robin is in favor of money. Let's see what Ishana has to say against this. Hello. When we amplify the best within us, we can achieve something miraculous, sir. Yes. If we and we may enjoy handful of cash and occupy good position, but to realize in the achievement we create out of perseverance, willpower, and endurance. Wonderful! You automatically follow when I create a record. The reason was because witness for the same. Yes, you are right. 23 years old Neeraj Chopra scripted history by winning gold at Tokyo Olympics. Incredible achievement. A physically challenged Indian athlete has achieved in high jump. Are you talking about Marpal Tangavelu? Exactly. He was considered with Padma Shri and Khel Ratna, which are his highest sporting award. Yes, he had to work as a newspaper hawker to support his family. But now he has become a famous personality just because of his achievement. My lord, yes. Even the words spoken by those at the peak of the achievement are appealing, inspiring, and giving us pleasure, whereas aiming cannot come close to the pleasure of achievement. Thank you. அடேங்கப்பா என்ன பேச்சு ஆயிரவால பட்டாசு கதி சோஞ்ச மாதிரி இருக்கு. Let me call upon Hamish from this team. Many represent health, strength, honor, generosity, and beauty. Sir, yes, when we achieve something, definitely there will be good income. Is this not yearning? Na baby, na bacha, na babada, na maiya. The whole thing is that bhaiya sabse bada bhaiya. Fantastic, my lord. Yes. In this competitive work, everyone learn to achieve what is said for. Is there not for yearning? No one is achieving without the thought of gaining something. Bravo! Excellent! Even with going to get is back to education to the children. Do you know the reason? To settle in life. So what do you need to settle in life? Yearning is what we need. Serious earning, sir. The first question that we face when we are attending an interview is, how much salary do you expect? Known as priority to achievements. It is not an apt question. Usually parents want their children to earn more than to achieve. സാധനങ്ങളെ പഠിക്ക, സോധനകളെ കടക്ക, സമ്പാദ്യം തന്നെ தேவை. Yes, sir. Only I will uplift you to high position, but not fame. Can you tell me, is there any employee without expecting his or her salary at the earliest of the month and the bonus during the festive season? Dear sir, yes. Think and decide. Thank you. பொட்டா பாரு போட்டு பொற்சல்வம் இல்லைனா கல்வி எது சாதனை எது? My dear audience, the open team is ready to oppose you with so many points. So now we are cheer from Ashna. There can be no real achievement without any struggle. Sir, yes, there is no end for achievement. It has different phases. Yeah, you are right. Even teachers are the greatest achievers. Absolutely. Teachers mold the students. In this regard, teachers are also considered to be great achievers. Yes, you are rocking with your points. everyone and not to be taken off like any. It will remain forever, whereas earning just remains in the pocket and to be spent. Sir, yes, in this world, if the number of aristocrats is in lakhs, then the number of achievers is in crores. Very, very correct. Thus, I would like to conclude by saying that achievement is important for us to perform better. It is important to maintain the level of confidence. Sir, yes. நான் கேளுங்க. சொல்லுங்க. உசுப்பேத்துறவங்க கிட்ட உம்முன்னா, கடுப்பேத்துறவங்க கிட்ட கம்முன்னு இருந்தா, வாழ்க்கை சும்மா ஜம்முன்னு இருக்கும். ஓஹோ, இதுவே பெரிய சாதனை தானே நடுவர் அவர்களே. தேங்க்யூ. Marvelous. Money is one of the most essential aspects in everyone's life. We need money for buying smallest to biggest thing for ourselves. Money is also the cause of economic balance or imbalance in any country. We agree that it is important to earn more and more money and not for leading a comfortable life, but also to ensure the safety of our family members. But one thing to be remembered is money or the earnings can be stolen, whereas achievement of a person cannot be stolen. History is replete with examples of achievers who have changed the earth with their achievements. Newton, Edison, Einstein, Wright brothers, and Nelson Mandela, and Kamina Chawla are the names of you achievers who have reached the pinnacle of success. They did not taste success at once, but kept walking the path of achievement, overcoming obstacles with single-minded focus to succeed. If these great personalities concentrate on learning, history and merit, thus it is fair to say that achievements are a consequence of perfection reached over time with consistent effort. To stay determined till the very end is the hallmark of a great achiever. Thus, to conclude my judgment, it is fair to say that achievement is the one